Must try 5 beautiful and delicious dessert recipes. Recipe 1: Pretty double color pudding. Ingredients: steamed purple potatoes, yams, 300 ml milk, 30 grind jelly sheets or powder. Instructions: 1. Blend steamed purple potatoes and yams separately with milk to create milkshakes. 2. Soak jelly sheets or powder in cold water for 5 minutes. 3. Pour purple potato milkshake into a mold. Freeze for 30 minutes. Then add the yam milkshake and freeze for 1 hour. 4. Serve with decorative strawberries or cherries. Recipe 2: Beautiful camellia pudding. Ingredients: 15g gelatin, 300 ml milk, tang sugar, 150 grams yogurt, 20 g dragon fruit juice. Instructions: 1. Soak gelatin in cold water. Warm milk with sugar, then dissolve gelatin in the warm milk. Sweet mix in yogurt. Pour some into a mold to create a white base and freeze for 5 minutes. 3. Mix remaining pudding with dragon fruit juice. Fill the mold. Freeze until set and demold. 4. Garnish with honey and dried chrysanthemums. Recipe 3: Lucky soft potato balls. Ingredients: steamed potatoes, sugar, milk, dragon fruit juice, odd glutinous rice flour, baking soda. Instructions: 1. Puree steamed potatoes and mix with sugar, milk, and dragon fruit juice. 2. Form into small balls, steam for 20 minutes. 3. Roll in coconut for a delicious finish. Recipe 5: Charming watermelon potato cake. Ingredients: steamed potatoes, sugar, watermelon juice, and coconut. Instructions: 1. Puree steamed potatoes and mix half with sugar and watermelon juice. Then layer in a bowl mashed potatoes, watermelon puree, and mashed potatoes again. 3. Press, demold, and cut into shapes. Roll in coconut for added flavor. Enjoy! Recipe 5: Tasty cucumber and potato cake. Instructions: Ingredients: steamed potatoes, sugar, cucumber juice, coconut powder. 1. Puree potatoes, mix with sugar and cucumber juice. 2. Layer in a mold and press evenly. 3. Demold and serve with coconut for added texture. Enjoy these beautiful, sweet and silky desserts that are sure to delight both kids and adults. Happy cooking!